Wow. Rodri to Barcelona. Here we go. Breaking exclusive news from Fabrizio Romano. Whew, Man City fans, this one is gonna sting because you just got smashed by Arsenal today 3-0, and now you're losing Rodri as well. Oh, it's a bit tough for Man City right now, but Barcelona. Guys, Barcelona fans, what do you guys think about this? This is a major scoop. Like all Real Madrid signings that they made, it doesn't even matter right now because you signed Rodri. Like, I'm someone like we were in a title race with Man City for so many years, and this guy was so irritating because he was so good. Like, having Rodri in your team just changes everything. And I know Barcelona obviously needs a striker right now. They probably will get one, but this is the most important signing that they could have made. Real Madrid went in to buy all of the targets that you guys wanted, but the one that they actually needed, you guys got, which is insane. And I'm actually happy because, yeah, they just stole your Monday from Liverpool. Anyways, Rodri to Barcelona. Damn, I'm gonna start. I know I spoke about the Barca part, but Man City are cooked. You guys are cooked because this is your main player. After De Bruyne left, it was basically obviously it was a Highlands team, but he was the one behind pulling all the strings, doing all the dirty work. And he might even win a Ballon d'Or again after Spain won the World Cup. Wow, he was like, yeah, he was player of the World Cup, so maybe, I don't know, we'll see. But damn, Man City, wow. I know that maybe they're probably going to go in for Enzo Fernandez, who they definitely need right now after selling Rodri to Barcelona. Yeah, I think Man City's days of dominance is obviously over right now, but yeah, that's Man City. Just figure things out. Actually, don't. I'm a Liverpool fan, so keep rotting. But Barcelona, this is a major scoop. This is a major scoop because, wow, this is a player that, like I said, he just does everything that you want him to do. And yeah, I feel like this is the move that I would say, yeah, with Frankie de Jong injury, Barcelona definitely needs another CDM. I think Frankie's out until next year. I think he has an ACL, I'm not sure. But yo, this is a big scoop. Barcelona fans, let me know what you guys think in the comments. And Man City is not looking good. But yeah, I just feel like Rodri is such a Barcelona signing instead of Madrid because yeah, Madrid just always wants the best players and all of that stuff. But I feel like Rodri, he fits in so well in the Spain team, who's actually has a lot of Barcelona players. So that's also maybe why he opted to go to them because he blended in well with like the likes of Pedri and those kind of players, Kubasi, Eric Garcia. So yeah, I just feel like he's more of a Barcelona signing than he is a Real Madrid signing, just because of the way that he is and just his style of play. I feel like Barcelona obviously controls and like does all of those things a bit more than Real Madrid. I don't know about the recent years, but I know they play at the high line, and yeah, he's obviously great for that those tackles, winning in the opposition half, and yeah, I think that he will be a good fit into Barca. But yeah, this just took me by surprise. Not actually by surprise, but it just happened more sooner than we thought it would. Because I mean, the weekend was just over, and I thought maybe it's gonna happen in the new week. But yeah, Rodri to Barcelona. Here we go, guys. Let me know in the comments. All fans, let me know in the comments what you guys think about this move. And yeah, make sure to like the video if you guys enjoy this content, and be sure to subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. I mostly do Liverpool content, but obviously when there's big news and things like this, I would also give my thoughts. And I would love to know if you guys like those type of videos. Let me know, Barca fans, Man City fans. I know it's a bit tough for Man City, but I actually made a video on Enzo Fernandez to Man City potentially, and this could block it. So yeah, let me know what you guys think, but be sure to subscribe to really help, and I'll appreciate it. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.